The Orange Democratic Movement (ODM) has clarified that it has not expelled Nairobi Senator and former Secretary General Edwin Sifuna, and despite removing him from the influential party post over disciplinary concerns. Speaking during a church service at Shalom Church in Mombasa, ODM leader Oburu Odinga explained that Catherine Omanyo has been appointed as the new Secretary General, while Sifuna will step aside temporarily as an internal sanction. That is why we are saying we have our new Secretary General, Ms. Omanyo. The other Secretary General, the party decided he stays out for a little while because of lack of discipline, but we have not chased him away. Onginga underscored that ODM will not tolerate indiscipline, noting that all members must follow party rules and face consequences if they fail to comply. We are not going to go back because there must be an example of discipline. Somebody must feel some little pain for being indisciplined so that the party can continue to be united. The party cannot be based on fear. There is nobody who is indispensable, including me. He added that no individual is bigger than the party, stressing that ODM belongs to the people rather than any single leader. If I lack a discipline, then let me be expelled from the party. There is nobody bigger than the party because the party is for the people and formed by the people. The people cannot fear anybody, Onginga stated. Clarifying the current leadership, Oginga noted that while the court had stayed Sifuna's removal, effectively recognizing him as the court Secretary General, the party considers Omanyo the successive office. Welcome for subscribing Siete Media. Please share, comment.